apart from like all the love from Mismatched, I get a few messages that actually they think that that's me. Like that's how I am in real life. So they're like, how can you talk to Dimple like that? And how can you say these things? And don't you know how to speak to people? I'm just like, I was just like I replied to a couple of them. I was like, I'm sorry, like, but I'm not that guy. मेरे को तो ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है कि मेरे सर पे लिखा हुआ है कि दिल तोड़ना है तो मेरा तोड़ो.
That's mean. Why would somebody do that?
Here's a heart you can break.
Does that happen that often to you?
No, it's not happened that often to me, but it's happened a couple of times and it's happened quite well.
There's actually one that a lot of people use on Instagram where they'll send a dog emoji and then they will write, oh, my dog's run into your DMs. Can I have him back? And all of that. It's initially I was like, oh, nice. This is innovative. Then there were like 50 of those. So I was like, okay.
All right, so today I have with me Aisha Ahmed and Taruk Rana joining in, and we're here to talk about their song Sukoon. But we have one also planned. But yes, give it up for the two of them. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Thank you for having us.
How are you guys doing? How have you been all this while? You, I will get to later. Aisha, how are you?
I'm good. I'm actually pretty good. Thanks to Sukoon, like I'm happier now.
Yeah.
But pretty good.
Yeah. And you, Mr. Mismatched, how have you been? I mean, you have just like I was talking to you before this. मतलब इतना आपने जो सब लोगों को hate करवा दिया है. Like you've literally made people hate you. How does it feel? I mean, usually people get so much love for their characters, but I was just telling him, Aisha, before we started recording, I mean, an actor's job is obviously to make the audience believe that wo character play kar rahe hain and they are that character, right? I think he has done that so well that people actually, I for once, I really hated his character. I was like, why is he like this? I mean, why does he have to abuse and be so mean to everybody?
I know Shahrukh personally, and I've hung out with him and I chilled with him. But when I watched the show, I was like, "Who I know the wrong person? ये इसकी सच्चाई है क्या ये इतना? How is he so convincing at this?" But yeah, he's pretty great.
I think it's all credit to our directors, Akarsh and Nipun. I think Akarsh kind of brought that that side out of me.
Yeah.
So I mean, all credit to the writers to giving me that script to. I mean, actually believing that I could be that person. I had no idea I could be that person.
Yeah.
Like
You are that person deep inside you.
I'm not that person, yaar.
But yeah, you were telling me you've been getting a lot of hate mails and all. What's about that?
Yeah. I mean, apart from like all the love from Mismatched, I get a few messages that actually they think that that's me. Like that's how I am in real life. Like I am just put in the show as Taruk. Like so they're like, how can you talk to Dimple like that? And how can you say these things? And don't you know how to speak to people? I'm just like, I was just like I replied to a couple of them. I was like, I'm sorry, like, but I'm not that guy. Like that's my job to be that way.
I feel bad for you, but I think still
But
congratulations.
good job.
Yeah, exactly. Good job on that, and congratulations on pulling it off and making people sort of convincing them that you are actually Anmol. But yes, for everybody watching this interview, I hope ये interview देखने के बाद आपको थोड़ा सा perception आपका बदल जाए कि he's not that person, he's actually a nice person. All right, so yes, we're here to talk about Sukoon.
Yes.
Let's talk about how did this idea come about, because like the song also mentions, like the breakup has never looked so sexy, which I watched the video and I was like, that is true. Tell me a little about that.
I mean, I'll be honest with you. I had no idea this was going to be like this sexy breakup song. I think our director Ishan Nair just has a habit of making everything look sexy. So like, yeah, he can. I think he'll probably take like moving houses documentary and make it sexy. No, I'm kidding. But like, but I think it's just because it's like it's become so visually like pleasing that I guess it's become like that. Otherwise, the song when it was written, it was written from a very kind of sad space when we were writing it, and the base emotion was just heartbreak and how it kind of leaves a mark on you for life. You don't just people say that you get over a relationship, you don't really get over a heartbreak.
Yeah.
I feel like it always teaches you something, and you do get altered as a person for life.
Taruk has some real nice insights about heartbreak and relationships and all of that. इसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे.
Pro.
He's a pro.
अरे,
Aisha, what do you have to say about this? The sexy song
Yeah,
of
I mean,
sexy
he
breakup
talks
song.
about it like he's like mastered the whole breakup and like relationships and this maturity.
Yeah.
Seems altered.
I haven't mastered anything. मेरे को तो ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है कि मेरे सर पे लिखा हुआ है कि दिल तोड़ना है तो मेरा तोड़ो.
That's mean. Why would somebody do that?
Here's a heart you can break.
Does that happen that often to you?
No, it's not happened that often to me, but it's happened a couple of times and it's happened quite well.
Aisha, your take on the fact that it's, the sexy breakup song, and of course, I mean, when I saw the video, it is so what's your take on that? I mean, what is also, what is the kind of comments and the feedback that you've been getting? Because let me just make a confession before that. I have loved watching Aisha on these these little videos that she does for Dice and for all of like my sister and I really enjoy those videos and those shows that she's been doing all this while. And then I was really excited to also see you in the song, and that was like something completely different. So मतलब लोगों का जो एक perception and this whole love that you've been getting all this while is obviously to the characters, but then they see this sudden shift and this change and a new Aisha. Has that, is that the kind of response that you're also getting from people?
Yeah, like I'm very surprised. Like I was yesterday also sitting with a couple of friends of mine and somebody mentioned the same thing. Oh, you're looking so sexy. So that's something that I've never really, sexy and Aisha, I've never thought of these two words together for myself ever. Matlab, like I'll know that people will say, oh, she's so cute, oh, she's so bubbly and like funny and whatever, all of that. So now a lot of people are telling me, oh, you look so hot and you look so different and you look so sexy. So I'm just like, what happened? Like I have to give the full credit to Ishan for this, I think. And I was also trying to break out of that image of just looking like cute and just being funny. And this happened so organically. So yeah, it's a good feeling. It's nice feeling. It's the same sort of response from everybody. And yeah, thank you, Ishan. Thanks a lot for that.
This is your wrecking ball.
Yes. Yeah, this is that moment.
That's interesting. So let's do something fun now. So you're both young. You both have a connect with the youth today, and they love everything that you've been doing. So let's do something fun, which is called Dating Tips with Taruk and Aisha. Okay. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, and you'll tell me about these things. Could be one-line answers, also could be something that you want to explicitly sort of talk about. Anything you want. Okay. One thing that you should not have in your dating bio. कोई एक ऐसी चीज like okay, let me just put it into a situation now. If you're on an app like this and you see this one thing in a person's dating bio, what is that one thing that will just put you off instantly and it sort of just make you swipe left?
Lots of things, yeah. I mean, I don't know, infidelity for one.
But how would you know it from the dating bio?
They
इतने ही
put-
honest हो रहे हैं तो लिख दो.
Oh. I have to say this. So I've never been on any of the apps because thankfully I've never had the need of it. But I usually go on my friends' apps and see. I saw someone's bio that said 12 inches, this, that. I think that was, we saw it and we were like, why? Like, what is the need? So, yeah, that's something you should definitely not have in your bio. Just being honest here.
Okay, I've honestly got no experience with apps, but I have to see this.
But imagine if you see that, you're definitely gonna be like, no. Even if it's true, no. Like, what is this?
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, a pickup line that you must avoid. What is the worst pickup line that you've come across? जरूरी
Aisha, you must have got pickup lines. I तो have not got.
हाँ मतलब चलो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पे यूज हुई हो, पर अगर कोई ऐसी बहुत ही weird pickup line आपने सुनी भी and you're like, what is this?
I don't know. Am I that easy or what? Nobody uses pickup lines with me. I just realized. I can't.
Guys, are you listening? Everybody who's watching this, Aisha को आज तक कितनी pickup line नहीं दी है.
There's actually one that a lot of people use on Instagram where they'll send a dog emoji and then they will write, oh, my dog's run into your DMs. Can I have him back? And all of that. It's initially I was like, oh, nice. This is innovative. Then there were like 50 of those. So I was like, okay, cool.
No, nobody's used pickup lines on me. I've not been that fortunate.
Hey, but have you heard that one where it's used and abused where they say, do you believe in love and first sight or should I like walk back again?
वो तो यार, that's some really bad stuff. Like that's just, I mean, that's basically देख मत पगली प्यार हो जाएगा. What is that?
Pickup lines. I think Hindi pickup lines are bomb.
I wonder if they work though. That is surprising.
Yeah, I remember there were some really bad ones. Is your dad a terrorist? Because you a bomb.
No.
No, yeah.
Block. Immediately block. How would you make the first impression on a date? Like, what are the must-do things that you would want to sort of incorporate when you're going on a date? Aisha, let's start with you this time.
Make a good impression.
Mm-hmm.
I'll definitely wear a nice perfume because I usually don't wear perfumes because they overwhelm me because I get like too this thing, but I'll definitely wear a nice perfume. I try to dress as casual as I can so the other person's also like chill and like, and compliment. Like, just even if that person's not dressed well, you're just like, oh, you look nice. Oh, you have a nice, like your hair looks nice. Just say it. Just say it. So, and yeah, just make the other person comfortable.
कहाँ गई है honesty?
वो तो बाद में और चीजों के लिए ना, ये तो मतलब चलो यार दोस्ती कर लेते हैं, let's chill and then like sort of go into it.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay. For me, nothing matters except food.
Okay, so
I'm telling you, if there is amazing food on the table, nothing can go wrong.
So do you
You
take
will just-
that
because-
charge then? Would you take that charge of ordering the food and impressing your date?
Absolutely.
What if your
Not-
date's on a
not to-
diet?
Huh?
What if your date's on a diet? Then what do you do? She's like, oh,
Then
I can't have like, I'm off sugar,
No.
off bread, off like.
That's fine because I'll eat the good food and I'll be in a happier mood. So I'll be funnier, better, just a better person, more positive. And I'll be more likable if I am happier.
Self-love,
So, like-
self-love.
Self-love
Good
101.
food is the savior. If I have a brilliant kind of set of food in front of me, there is nothing that can go wrong. Even if like,
Everything goes right.
yeah, it'll be like I've had a really bad day. I'm like, eat some pizza.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
I don't like pizza. Eat some pasta.
how to get out of a bad date. Have you ever been on a bad date and you're like really trying to get out? ऐसा कभी Aisha looks like you have. Would you want to share it with us?
Matlab, like, I'm a very, I've realized, giving person. You know, like, if it's going bad, no, I'll still give it more time. Then I'll be like, ha, chal, redeem yourself. Chal, redeem yourself, okay. Beyond a point, then I don't, like, yeah, I've never gotten out of a bad date. I've just, like, lived through it. And I'm like, ha, okay,
Aisha, do you get to that point where, अच्छा, अब डांस करके दिखा चल.
कुछ तो कर ले यार, मतलब अच्छा बात भी नहीं अच्छा, जोक्स भी अच्छे नहीं, क्या करें हम, मतलब what do you do?
और क्या कार्टव्हील कर सकता है.
कुछ ऐसा flip, back flip. So I don't know how to get out of one. I'm really bad. So if someone can tell me how to get out of bad dates, please.
Baba
I've never
Taruk
been on a bad date.
Are you serious? Because
Yeah.
you've always been around
I've-
food, so that it's been good for you.
हाँ.
I think so. I honestly think so. I never want to leave until I'm done eating. Like,
So if your date's done eating, you can be like, हाँ ठीक है, let me finish and then I'll join you. Something like that. How would that be?
no, then it's a bad date for her. So she has to think about
He's
it. So
still
she'll be
busy
like,
eating.
He's
Yeah.
clearly concerned about his food. So okay.
yeah, she'll be like, oh, I don't think I should just go. I'm busy. I have another meeting. I'm like, okay, cool. See you later, and my order will come.
I think we have got some valuable insights into relationships and into dating 101 with
And
Aisha.
all I'd like to say, don't follow it.
Come on, no, I think they were pretty good and they actually did make sense. So yeah, I think you should follow them. But thank you, Taruk and Aisha. It was really nice talking to you, connecting with you, and all the best for everything else that we'll be seeing you in. Hope to connect with you, over something again very interesting that you'd be sort of doing, and really nice, to see the both of you in Sukoon, and it's already doing well. All the very best. I hope that it continues to do really, really well.
Thank you so much.
Lastly, one
Yes.
last. If Taruk can just sing something, I mean, it'll be just unfair if he's here and if he doesn't sing anything,
No, I'll sing Sukoon. कांच के टुकड़ों का पता न क्या करूं, है मेरा नसीब या है मेरा जुनून, खुद की आंखों में अब और कितना गिरूं, इस दिल से हूँ मैं नाराज, न तेरा कसूर, मुझे तुझको मिला था जो सुकून, ले गई क्यों मुझसे शहर कानून, मुझ में तुझको मिला था जो सुकून, ले गई क्यों मुझसे शहर कानून, छूटी तस्वीर तेरी इस गाँव में रखूं, छीना तूने मुझसे क्यों मेरा सुकून.
Wow, clap. I think we should clap.
Thank you.
काश हम एक कॉन्सर्ट में होते and मुझे वैसी फीलिंग आ रही थी. I really wish there was a concert happening and you two playing. And
काश ये दुनिया में अभी कॉन्सर्ट पॉसिबल होता.
I know, right? I know, right? That's the worst. But thank you so much, Taruk and Aisha,
you.
for joining in and for everything else. All the very best and hope to connect with the two of you again super soon.
Thank you, Shweta.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.